Thinking of starting a nutraceuticals production business in Singapore? With rising health awareness, strong regulatory standards, and regional market access, Singapore is an ideal base for producing high-quality nutraceutical products. First, define your product focus. Will you produce dietary supplements, functional foods, herbal formulations, or specialized wellness products? Your product type determines regulatory requirements and manufacturing standards. Next, set up your business structure. Most nutraceutical manufacturers register a private limited company and comply with regulations set by the Health Sciences Authority, including product notification, labeling, and safety standards. Invest in certified manufacturing facilities, GMP-compliant processes, and robust quality control systems. Product safety, consistency, and traceability are critical in the nutraceutical industry. Finally, grow your business through strong branding, distribution partnerships, and regional exports while maintaining strict compliance and quality assurance. Ready to start your nutraceuticals production business in Singapore? 3E Accounting Singapore can assist with incorporation, compliance, and financial planning. Visit our website to get started today.